Hey guys, so this week I'm sharing this 9x12 page I put together for my 2018 Project Life album. As you know, I've been slowly but surely making my way through the past 2 or 3 years of spreads. So it's a long process, but hopefully it will be worth it in the end. So yeah, let's get into it. So this 9x12 page is from 2018. It's from one of our friends' weddings. I decided to work on this page because I just happened to have this 6x6 floral black and white piece of paper just hanging out on my desk, and I thought it would look really nice with this page because it's like really formal looking, and I thought, that'd be really pretty. So that's why we're doing that today. And then for the two cards in that middle row, I'm going to end up settling on just something white and simple, not to distract, because I don't want to distract from any of the photos. And even though those cards on the top and bottom rows are just black and white, they are busy in terms of the pattern. So I wanted to keep everything else pretty clean and minimal. I kind of do this out of order. Usually I'll pick all my cards first and then kind of pick and choose embellishments from my stash. But I found these mini market October afternoon stickers. I don't think they exist anymore or they make them anymore, but I was obsessed with October afternoon mini market stickers. I think I have a stack of 15 or 20 just hoarded because I just love them so much. I think these are from 8 years ago or something. I don't know. Wish they were still a thing, but whatever. It's okay. So I'm just going through some more die cuts just to figure out what I can add to this page. I really want to keep with the whole craft brown tones that this page has going on. I thought it looked nice contrasting with the black and white. So that love, love, love die cut, I think is Studio Calico. I found this transparent label that I've also been hoarding. I think these are Studio Calico as well, from a year or two ago, I think. So then I'm going to use that, and with those mini market stickers, I'm just going to get that date down, just kind of like a title card, I guess. Just something really simple, even though the date is on their wedding sign, but that's okay. And obviously, since this label is transparent, I'm not going to throw any kind of adhesive glue that you can see right behind it. So I'm just going to go ahead and staple everything down using my tiny attacher, as I do with 90% of everything I make. As for journaling, you all know I'm not a big journaler. I just like to make things pretty. I'm not good with typing things out or writing things down. So I'm just going to go ahead and use some simple word strips with my typewriter. I didn't want to do just a white cardstock because I thought it was too boring for this page. Since it is pretty simple, I wanted to add something a little extra. I like using vellum because I think it adds a little bit more texture without being too distracting. Because obviously I like to keep pictures as the main focus of a spread. So I'm going to go ahead and use vellum. I'm going to keep that a lot of space on the top part of the strip so that I can staple them down again, with the transparent label. I don't really like to use any kind of adhesive on the back of vellum unless I really have to, or if there's another embellishment that I can hide it behind that's on top of the vellum. Just because, I don't know, it looks kind of messy, and with vellum I like how simple it is. So just try to keep it clean as possible. I am going to use just a little bit of adhesive on that top card on the vellum, just because, I don't know, I didn't trust it. I don't know why. Because I don't think I was going to use a staple because I thought it would be too much stapling because I already stapled the top part of that card and the bottom. Had I known I was going to staple vellum on there too, I probably would have used the tiny attacher on the right and left sides instead, but it's okay, it's fine. Then I'm just going to put these down. Oh, what am I talking about? I guess I did use adhesive. Huh. Anyway, okay, scratch that. I guess it wasn't too bad looking at it now. Great. I clearly don't remember what I did. I made this yesterday. I should remember. Anyway, so I'm going to staple those down and pretty much staple everything else as I normally do. And then I think we're just going to finish things off. I have some chipboard embellishments, and I'm just going to throw that on top of that journaling card on the right, just to add a little bit of something there. And I think it kind of looks like a wedding cake, just like the shape of it. So I thought that was cute. And then I just have some enamel dots as well, because, you can always go for some enamel dots to just tie everything together, bring some color in from the other pages, other parts of the page. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Really simple page, really quick and easy. And here are the detail shots for this page. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about anything I did or used in this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I post every Monday as of right now. I don't know, we'll see. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram for more updates. And yeah, I will talk to you guys next time.